and on Twitch. So Stonecat, we're welcome in here. Banakafalala. Hi, hi, hi. This is my application. You already know, some people already know me. They know that I do a lot of vibe coding. I am sharing my application. Some of them are good, some of them are not that successful, but let me share with you. These are all my applications, and actually I always start with Android. This is a recently uploaded application of chess game on Android, and we're gonna do today we will proceed with the same on iOS. I just want to change the music, to say the truth, because I constantly got on YouTube complaints that my stream contains some like copyrighted music, which is not true. Let me see. All right. And I use this Meld software to just gonna hide it somewhere. I used Meld for streaming, but I don't understand. Oh no, how to change it? Okay, new layer, media source. All right, I got it. And I need to add something. There is a reggaeton, but I don't want to get reggaeton. Let me take a look. I had an Animal Crossing. Oh, this one, relaxing music. That's what we're gonna use. Hope you can hear it. And the same we're gonna do now for YouTube. Which is in OBS. And then we will proceed. Where's my media source? Not Michael Jackson, but okay. Just a second. All right, changed on YouTube. Probably now it's gonna work. And let me just check if it's working on YouTube. I'm having here my coffee. The only part that now we're gonna test it and we will see how is it going. I already got new databases for chess for Android, but basically not for Android only, but for iOS. So let's take a look what we have. Guess it's working perfectly. Perfect. Well, then I hope viewers who gonna see it all gonna guide me if I need to make my medium down or up or what I need to do. Okay. So, and I also, what do I have here? I have here my diary agenda, because sometimes I'm working better with pen. I got this one in September last year, and I was like, oh, I gonna do every day my recordings, like always, all gonna be super organized. And I end up just writing whatever I want in any day and, well, usual situations. So I'm gonna get my list. So the first one would be dark mode adaptation. Dark mode adaptation. Then we need to import here all of the fonts. Then we need to have, I guess, a lot of people complain to me that the figures during the game are not like beautiful. So I'm gonna write down, change the figures. And also the whole learn part is not done. Like make whole learn part. We're gonna start from these 4 points and then we will proceed and we will see. Knew it. Hello. I knew it. I knew that you're gonna be here. Hello, hello, hello. Very, very welcome. All right, let's take a look from where I start. Do I have here my cursor, chess puzzle? It's Kotlin. Wait a second. It's Swift. Don't say here Kotlin. What? It's not cleaned enough. Oh, but it's all right. Let's try to test it in the dark mode. What is the difference between those two? Just a minute. Ah, yeah, I know why. I was actually building already. I was archiving and providing application on test flight. So that was a problem. That's why I was playing around with name of the application. Knew it. How are you? How is everything? All right, now we're gonna set it to the dark mode. Where is it? Where is it? It was appearance, right? No. Accessibility. Don't remember where to find it. This. Good. It was in development, and we need to get a chess puzzle game. Poof, poof. There is some stuff in Cursor that smart people are telling me that it's like a context. Let's take a look. How to set the context to AI for Cursor. Wow, I got coffee. I'm starting to fall asleep. Okay. All right. Well, let's do from this. Can you please now adapt the whole game for the dark mode also, please? And all new features, please, also adapt for the dark mode. And I would need to get, I have here my Android application. Where is it? It's here. Let's run it. We will compare, because Android application is quite good. I got downloads. It's all right. I got scared. It's because of the sound that is playing from my emulator. All right. Let's take rerun. Should work. Okay, yeah, it did it. We also need to commit it. All of the changes that we're gonna do, we need to commit. So I'm gonna say commit the changes. And I need to now make the learn. We have figures, which is this functionality, which is working quite good, but I need to remember where I had those pictures. Where can I find them? So I need to get to my images, or I need to get to assets part of opening Finder. All right, so this is my Finder stuff, and here this is the figures that I need to have. We need to work with them. So I will, in desktop, make a new folder. I'm gonna call it chess figures. All right. And I'm just gonna copy paste. So I need to pop kind. We have this, all of those. Perfect. So I just copy pasted them in here. Here they are, and I need to pass them now to Xcode. I'm gonna keep it like this. In the assets, that's what we need to do. So we're gonna start. I see. Is it all working? I'm now realizing a very interesting part about dark mode for chess game on iOS. Well, on Android also, but I didn't do the dark mode adaptation for Android. But um, the black figures and the white figures, are we inverting them? Let's take a look. Yes, he inverted. He was smart enough to like make grayish board for white, but he inverted all the all the black, not non-brown figures. Interesting, right? But it's quite good. We will work on it. We will work. A lot of stuff to do now. Hello, hello, Christifa. All good, all great. How are you? Hope you're good. All great, all good. Moving forward with chess, preparing the images, a very large description, like large prompt. All great. So I just added a huge prompt for cursor, and basically I ask it to implement these features for figures. Oh, look, this is actually a bug, right? Ah, in Android, there is a bug. But anyway, so this feature of changing the colors, navigating through the chess, and also adding like sections for rules and position and moves. Yeah, this is Android. Also, oh my god, what happened? I was not expecting, is it? Is it a new device? I need to make stream of fixing those bugs on on Android. But in any case, I also adapting to the dark mode. I have here on my diary agenda in here everything what I prepared. So we have dark mode adaptation, fonts import, change figures and make the whole learn part. So we gradually are doing it. And let's take a look if now, of course, we're gonna do it. I did a very huge prompt to it, and also I had to add all of those assets. So a lot of people who played chess, Android one, like this one, they are actually complaining that those figures, like those images, are not beautiful. Like people say to me that it's kind of like weird figures. So I just downloaded another set of images for it, and I will try how they look on a board. Now we're gonna see it from iOS. And yeah, I already got another database for another mode of the game on chess on Android, and I will try to do it, but this is gonna be probably already offline. Let's take a look. All right. How long am I streaming already? 1 hour, 8 minutes. I'm trying to keep my streams for 2 hours at least 2 hours. Also because I'm not streaming that right now during the week because it's too hard. It's too hard. So yeah, I don't know also. Just you can see that this chess puzzle game, this one, right? I uploaded it on Google Play. And Google Play got super big delay because it's not 5 downloads. I saw that like I got more downloads and people actually playing it. But for some reason, something happened to Android or Google Play that I got extreme delay. Like now on my application where I can check all of the downloads and stuff, I have all the data from 17th of March. Like I cannot see any further, which is very upsetting. Android one, yes, Android one is totally already online. It is in here. I gave a link. Actually, I was already sharing it. It's this one. All right, let's take a look. Cursor is ready. It's done. So I'm checking right now in the dark mode, but oh, the build is failed. The build is failed. All right. Clucking. I really like my music today. I bought those sprays. It's like essential oils. And for calming down, for calm loop, I'm just sometimes just spraying myself when I'm working. It's like a little off topic on how that's exciting. I'm launching my website for multiple product offer today. Early alpha, but I think it could be popular. What is products about? All right, look, the icons here are not good. Let's try beginner mode. Oh, it's so terrible. So terrible. So terrible. It looks so ugly. Why people were complaining about? Oh my God. All right. for the dark mode. The whole board. Can you please make the, how to say it, the white one, right? But actually, even in light mode, it's not gonna be beautiful, or it's better. Okay, I'm gonna okay, so basically my solution would be not to invert the colors for this board, because now it's, well, it looks like it looks. I will try out how we work. How is it going? It's not taking me, it's very beginner mode. It's not taking me. Oh, now it decided to take me. First product is a high-end Twitch analytics dashboard. I think some of the coolest parts are chat velocity metric, how fast chat is moving, chat visualizer like music visualizer, just something fun, chatter monitoring to find out how engaged chatters are, attendance to see when top chatters stop showing up or most engaged new chatters, all the regular stuff you would expect to. Well, nice, this is very good. And you like paying some domain name for it, like how, oh look, this is actually good, this is actually great, game history is working, captured figures are working. Let's see, is cursor fix this stuff for us? Yes, let's run it, and we're gonna check it on the dark mode. Also gonna say the bottom bar icons should be inverted for the dark mode, inverted color. Can you please fix it? Let's take a look. All right, well, the music icon, there are a lot of stuff that I need to still change. There's my settings. Let's play expert. This is way better. I really think that I should not invert colors. Mm-hmm. I didn't check yet about the learn section. Let's go to learn section. All right, this is good. Figures. Wow, this is actually really, really, really nice. Well, these figures are really, really, really bad. Probably need to establish here like some kind of not black background, but super good. Wow, wow, I'm very happy. Oh, and rules are added and positions. Well, it could be improved probably because the like emojis are too small, but we can fix it. It's really nice. Really, also checkboxes in here. I don't know if that's all right. design part is very hard for me all the time. I'm struggling right now with design so much. Like the more you want to do stuff, it's with this artificial intelligence, it's so easy to make ugly stuff. Like you just go for it and like you done. But to make something like that is valid, it's extremely hard. Just puzzles in dark mode are also not very good. We will fix it now. Yeah, I have a domain for it, hosting and all that. Just putting together a welcome page today. But I have Author Tab, Twitch API, and some other tools connected on the backend. Good to go. Well, very, very good luck to you. It's amazing. I love that people are building and doing some stuff today. It's just really, really cool. Great. All right, what do we have? Let's run. Meanwhile, it's running. Let's commit the changes. Or is it done? Need to. Oh, it's interesting. Oh, just need someone to take. No, you don't want to take. What are you doing? Oh, great. All right. I just needed here to appear in white black captured pieces. Some of the elements too, so I can see if that's a good background or not. Let me take a look. I'm gonna say can you make the background of the text still a bit more lighter, and also with it's so easy to get lost in a task and realize you didn't do something you needed earlier. It is. I just never in my life imagined that it would be so hard to organize design. Look, guys, I did about the web page. I was trying to make a web page. Let me show you. Maybe I can show you. Where is it? I hope I didn't deleted it. So I cannot find it. Well, I can show you actually on Figma probably. So in here, right, you can see this. I was trying to make like a how I would place a web page for presentation of my applications. And whatever I do, I don't like the design. I don't like anything. Somehow, just for me right now to catch what is going to be in fashion, what people would like to download, or where it's pleasant for them to navigate, to take a look, or how to build a design so it's going to be attractive. It's very hard for me now as never. And I always was considering that I am that person who is so easy and I'm doing balconies, I'm very artistic, that I would be so good at this. Wow, it's so hard. And you go to this very popular like Pinterest, Dribbble, Behance. You cannot find. I cannot find anything that I would be like, wow, okay, this is like material design in 2015 that everybody gonna go with material design. Or like now a lot of a very big hype around this liquid glass on iOS. How long is it gonna last? Are we all gonna like? I feel like this liquid glass fashion gonna last for 1 year, and then it's gonna be over, and the whole society gonna move back to some kind of like material design, like a liquid glass. It's opposite of material design, I guess. So I don't know. It's just interesting. However, I am a very, very big fan of material design, because when I was 10 years ago, when I was reading the whole concept behind it, that they were like, the whole logic was to show with like layers, what is on the top, what is not, like all this stuff. It was very, very nice. Like the approach. It's not just you draw in plain stuff. You added layers, and you can see that this is like some kind of like vivid entity of your application in a way. So, did what I did? Can you make a background of the text on the play screen still a bit more lighter? A bit more lighter, and also make the buttons same color. And I have the inverted bottom bar. And bottom bar buttons are actually already inverted, which is really, really nice. It's very interesting how appeal shifts. I'm certain there is academic study for it. It's very interesting. What is this sound that I just got? Some kind of a weird sound in here. Maybe it's my cat, but it's not. So I can tell you only one interesting fact that is like appearing in my mind right now is that I saw a very interesting study over male and female toilets, and it's very interesting because I saw that. In this research, they say that in the female toilets, like the middle of the door, on the entrance, like there is a big mark that, like, basically because women, they don't want to touch anything, like they just don't touch the, like where you open the doors. It's like a trigger to open the door, and they push with elbows just to open the door because like they don't want to get dirty. But apparently it's not a tendency in male toilet. So this is interesting study that I saw. And after I read it, I'm paying attention to doors and like the marks on the door. That's very interesting. Yeah. So I remember it's also the UI, UX design. There were like some kind of a lot of books, and it was very popular right in the very beginning when they were like picking up a phone and they were like measuring where other like red area of the phone would be where people like press more, and etc, etc. I do the same. And door handles, and yes, I do the same. I also do this. But also, like, I always have this question: if I use my elbows to open the door, but my elbow's gonna be dirty after. Like, you understand that I'm not touching with the skin, but still, I don't know. It should be automatic door. All right, let's see. We have here beginner. Something I didn't like now. Something happened. What I didn't like? I don't understand. I wanted to do something for my game and I didn't like something. Okay, let's see. Okay, and you just need to take someone's... come on. All right, is it better? Okay, here. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, wow, here we cannot see anything. Ho, ho, ho. It's very bad. Okay, so let's do this. Fixes. Also, can you... Exactly, no one wants to have also dirty elbows. Can you also please fix this screen and make the dark mode background for the buttons also a bit more lighter, same color as you just used for the game screen. There is a video game called Factoria. It's a factory game where a combination of items make a new item almost infinitely. It requires a very good organization, and I feel vibe coding can get out of control quickly the same way. Ah, really? As I always, I don't know. It's I don't know how people eventually gonna get bored of worrying about AI. Let me see. I have there my Nexus book. I always suggest it's Harari. He said that why would we trust artificial intelligence if we don't trust each other? I will tell this like very silly stuff, but with appearance of artificial intelligence, I am more and more and more. When I look on my cat or when I look on people around me, I really consider that they are just pretty much made as artificial intelligence. Like I explained last time about this case that I read in the book that artificial intelligence had to resolve CAPTCHA, and he didn't know how to resolve CAPTCHA, so he contacted I call it he. I don't know why. So he called to some real person, and he lied to real person just so that real person would solve CAPTCHA. And we are surprised, but I'm not that much surprised. It's surprising, yes, that we basically created something that, again, is capable of lying, but it's pretty much done by us. It's just like it's philosophically pushing me into an idea that when we have these writings in the Bible that the God created us by his blueprint, that we are similar to him, it's resemble the whole artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence is behaving a lot like we are. We are the blueprint of it. We are like gods. It's but if I will talk to someone who is a real philosopher, they're gonna crush my ideas in 1, 2, 3, but still. Like, I can forget what I was doing 2 days ago because I moved on to a different design thing. But eventually we'll remember it. No? Maybe if you don't remember about something, you don't need it. Maybe that's correct approach to it. All right, let me explore. What do we have here? I don't like those icons. Yeah, good point, but sometimes you need to build something boring and the other things it's pretty and fun to do. I know, I understand, but you do boring stuff eventually. I really believe so. I believe that you do something boring to eventually make something with a lot of fun. For instance, I want to make this application, but it's because in the end I want this application to be downloaded and see that people play it. That's why I'm remembering that I need to go through the all boring stuff of publishing and making it. So like if you have this end goal should be always fun. Should be always be like haha. that's what I think. So I want to this one. Learn this on figures. Okay. We're gonna say when I launch the website, I DM you a link so you can access it for free. Is it the option not to access it for free? Okay, if I will remember, if I will be on Discord and I'm not gonna be disturbed, of course we can do it. Let's see. Okay, let's rerun it. Replace. Okay, this is better. Oh, this one is super bad. For the chess puzzle list of the game, please invert the colors for the images that represent one game, as now it's just black on black, black on black. Hello, I think I can check it. I have M2, but I mean, I guess it's good one for Android Xcode, because I used to do even Blender on this one. Also, again, people who write on YouTube and who write on Twitch, I always do simultaneous stream, so you please don't be surprised if I'm not replying immediately. This is just a delay because I'm normally reading just one chat. Okay, let's see. Probably now, after if I flip it to light mode, it's gonna be like, oh, so beautiful. Let's take a look. Checking this one if it's all good. These buttons are not working. So many stuff to fix. All right, this is actually good. Made in one. So what is the problem? Why I cannot move? Oh, it's wrong. I need to find something better. So I need to move here. Why? Here. Come on, I'm sure it should be here. Okay, show me solution. I was moving it in here. Something is wrong. Okay, black to move. Pam, 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 pam. I'm moving it. well. Solution complete. Next random. Okay, this one. Oh, they inverted the colors. Very nice. Okay. Perfect, right? It's actually working. But learn. All right. Guess it's nice. Okay. Setting all good. So let's try to move it now to test on light mode. So this is in light mode, should be different. Or maybe it's all right. Maybe it's all right. Very nice. He actually applied some font, which is very good. Okay, I'm gonna change now the music button. I need to find it because I don't like the music button that we have right now. This toggle is not beautiful. Where is my music stuff? Should be somewhere here. So I was playing around with it. Apparently I didn't add it. Okay, then I'm gonna extract it from Android Studio. All right. So where is it? Is this one? No, wait. It's not. Okay, it's XML. I cannot do it. So, I'm gonna go here and I find those icons. Where are they? I feel like I used to work with it. I don't understand. I remember that I did those icons. Maybe it was somewhere here. Nope. So many stuff I do. This is Calm Loop application, screen time. We need to get back to screen time monitor because there is a great success in there. People downloading it. So no. Maybe it's in here. No. No. Not here. Where is it? Crawling through all my stuff. But where is it? I'm so lazy to make another icon. No? Maybe it's just like black on a black somewhere. No. Alright, where is it? It looked like this. Let me find it. Oops, sorry. Just want to. I already found an icon. I just need to find like no sound icon, like the crossed one. There's 25 pages. Anyway, let's try to do it ourselves. Okay, let's go here. My icon is I have it. Here we go. These are ones. Well, this is the one that I like. All right, this is gonna be the icon and we need to cross it. So how we do it? Like this? Where is crossed sound icon? That's what I need. Okay, this should be bigger, apparently. Should be something like this and like this, right? Nice. All right. So this will be I see music off. Is it even the same? I feel like it's no, it's the same, right? No. This would be I see music on. So we need to go to my assets and add more. So we're gonna add where is it? Where I saved it? Oh, into chess figures, okay. So, this is gonna be I see music off and we are adding this one and this one and this one. And the next one is I see music on and we're gonna use this icon, and this icon. All right, where is my cursor? For the music on off toggle, please instead of the current one use the I see music on and I see music of assets that I just added to the assets, and don't forget to adapt it for the dark mode. Perfect. Oi, ay, sorry. Let's take a look. What is our... How long am I streaming already? Oh, I hope no one is getting deaf because of me. All right. So, what do we have? Okay. Oh, look, I like this font way more. It's like a classic. So, tuk tuk. So, how is it going in here? How is it going in here? Something is wrong. Like maybe drop shadows that it's throwing from it. I will remove just the drop shadow. I feel it's gonna be better. And I also need to fix this buttons. Oh, look. So this... Oh, and this icon should be smaller. Way smaller. It looks like someone drew it with marker. Okay. Can you please make the music on off icon a bit smaller? Perfect. And let's run it. So he removed the background drop shadow, these white sections in game history and captured pieces. I think it's way better. Way better. It's just perfect. And this is wrong in here. Oh, we need to commit. Wow, quite productive. I managed to do quite a lot. So this is currently, I'm not considering myself like a super fast vibe coder, if that term is applicable, but this is pretty much what we can do in 2 hours. Quite a lot of fixes, like adaptation, fonts, design, image. I wasted more time on making images. It's way time consuming. Okay, the last, what I need to do is basically in here. I'm gonna say that on the game screen, the buttons to see previous and next steps. So user can see the history of its game, and also the button that is showing that is bringing a user to the last / current position of the game are not working. Can you please fix it? Let's take a look. It's a bad superhero name. Super fast vibe coder woman. Wow, no, this is my channel name. Super fast vibe coder woman. All right, the last stuff. Let's see if it's gonna fix it. And also, well, I wanted to add here a white background for the text in here, right? It's actually, there is a drop shadow. But here this drop shadow is all right. It's not that bad. But on the game screen, in here, it was so bad. Now I guess it's way, way better. So let's take a look if it's gonna work. And on the figures screen, can you please also for the light mode make the background of the text with description of the figure, same as you use for the moves, or it was moves, what is it, moves and position and moves and rules. Is it done? Please. Okay, we queued it. Let's take a look. Let's take a look if it's gonna work. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Is it ready? Good. Wow. Ready. Let's see. Let's build our app. Let's build. And last build successful. It's not last, but okay, start game. Here we good. Oh yes, this is way better. At least I see that it's working. So take in, go back, plum. Amazing. Also learn figures. It is way better. Look how beautiful is this. Commit the changes cursor. And let's try to move to the dark mode and see what do we have in dark mode. I think it's very nice. Puzzles. Nice. Very good. Well. Okay. Perfect. I think it is very, very nice. All right. So, this is time for me to finish because I'm streaming for 2 hours and 2 minutes. So, let me go to my rating stuff and I will see if I can rate you to some person. Rate channel. I'm gonna rate you with What should I do? To whom I should? Ay ay ay. I just don't like if I see someone on internet like rude or nasty. I never rate to those people. So I want to see. I'm testing. Who is this guy? Tell me something, you. Let's take a look. All right, I don't know. This guy looks normal to me, so I'm gonna rate it to him, and I will subscribe to him. Okay, guys, anyone who it's not great, we like yes, we like nice people, but this guy, I passed my validation. So thank you everyone for staying today. It was quite a lot of people and quite a concentrated stream. We moved a little bit further with my chess game. Probably soon it's gonna be on the App Store. Vibe code. Who should I rate on Twitch? You should rate to me, always. To me, to my stream. You should rate. So let's go. I'm rating you to Maui Game Dev, a guy from States, and he's apparently, I believe he's just started, and I saw that it's like a 2 developers or something that they are doing the games and stuff. So let's rate to him. So mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you so much, and we'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye. Bye bye. So, and also YouTube, guys, I have no idea how to rate. I don't even know if it exists. Always repeat the same. I have no idea. So because no idea, I just